Beautiful. Doesn't get any fresher than that. High quality H2O. If I want it any fresher, I have to go up there and stick my head under the ground and drink it. Well, it's coming on the end of day 3 here on the Appalachian Trail. It has been an awesome day. A little bit rocky. Well, maybe a lot of bit rocky. Hard to see it, but a lot of rocks. They're kind of hard on the feet. It's nothing that big of a deal. I knocked out 25 miles. I'll be ending at mile 60. Tonight will be my last night in Georgia. I'll be in North Carolina. So no more neurovirus warning. Not that I can't jump lines. I think it's because the shelters are no longer 2 miles apart. I think it's just easy to jump shelter to shelter here in Georgia because they're just so close together. Unfortunately, people don't listen to the warnings. They stay in the shelters, they get sick. Quite a few people got sick. So anyhow, I stayed away from all the shelters and I'm still able to interact with people and manage to get this far without getting sick. So it's real simple. Wash your hands is the number one thing to stop the spread of it. Doesn't sound like something too hard. A hand sanitizer doesn't work either. Soap and water, craziest thing ever. Who would have thunk? Soap and water. Huh. I think I've heard this before. Anyhow, I got to get going. About 2 more miles to go. Finish off the night. Talk to you later. It's been a wonderful Saturday and a great day to be a hiker.